All right, guys. Yes, still in the same shirt. This is my gardening day shirt, as well as my lazy day shirt. So today, on this particular video, I'm going to start ruffling up this area over here that I ruffled up before. So, and guess what? I see a UPS man. I don't know if he's for me. We'll see. Okay, guys, do anyone know what these are? They're more so kind of hard, but right now they're mushy because I guess of the weather. I don't know. But if you know what these are, leave them in the comments. I have like 2 trees over here that divides my property and the neighbor's property up that they drop every freaking year. And I'm really curious about what they are. Let me see if I can show you the tree. It's this tree right here in between. So Okay, guys, so as you can see the transition already with this spot right here. Can the conference survive in this shade? Is this area not good for them? I mean, it do get sun, it just don't get a whole lot of sun like the side on over here. Okay, so if I locate my crowns that I planted over here for my asparagus, should I keep them or should I just wipe my hands of them? Because I really want to grow my asparagus, and this is sad, guys. I don't feel like doing this here, but I'm gonna have to, so bear with me. This is the work you don't like.
that work in today while it's nice out, huh?
Man, I thought I lost all my stuff. Yeah, I got to.
Know,
Spring coming quick. Yep. How you been doing?
All right, you?
All right. You be safe.
Did you lose a lot?
Pretty much everything except for a few and kale. But that's okay. I got everything on the porch. I mean, I'm like jumping right in.
All right, take care.
You too. So guys, over here, I know I got you far. I'm gonna bring you over. Okay, let's see. Stupid thing. Okay, so over here, with this bed, this is where I laid those asparagus. Now, I would be surprised if any one of them survived. Also, I have to go ahead and work on this ant bed. It's a lot of weeds. I gotta try to get it like over there as best as possible. I'm gonna have to still, of course, several times go over, because whatever those little thingies is dropping, it's just, I don't know. But anyway, I'm trying not to just really excessively chop. I mean, it's very good soil right here. That much I know, because I built that bed up. Now, it got to be something, because the lettuce then bounced back, and I'm finna take that up. It's just no need. I'm not gonna even eat it, because remember, I actually sprayed the weed stuff on it to kill it. And it's just amazing how these pop back in here. Some of it is my fault. I should have went ahead, once they died back, I should have went ahead and just dug everything up. And maybe that would have helped. Maybe hit it one more time, and it would have helped. So that's here nor there. But hopefully the next time you see this bed, it is clear for me to make a decision on if I'm going to put anything right here at all. Because right now, this is hard. Now, the comfrey, I mean, it could probably go here. This might be the better side for the comfrey. Let me know in the comments. Because right now, that side have already completely shaded. So, I just have to make a decision on that comfrey. That comfrey is so big already. And I am ready to get that in the ground. So, this may be the first set of videos you might see. I don't know. But either way, please leave it in the comments. If you have any suggestions on that comfrey and these beds on I got a few names before, but if you have any thing, I don't think I'm gonna do any more plants up there. I did plants in the center. That's enough for me. Any other plants I'm gonna get, it have to be a perennial. It have to be something that is that can take the shade and the sun. Even maybe a slight drop, because when it get really excessive hot and I don't feel like coming up here and watering it, hey, it is what it is. Just let me know, okay? So hopefully next time again you see this video, this bed here is clear. Hopefully the ants is gone, and then I'll go from there. Thank you and have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Get the notification bell so you can always know when Love Lady is putting out a new video. See you soon.